Hi everyone, this is Dr. Karamachi. I wanted to chat about how COVID is causing mental health issues. Over the last 2 months, there has been a lot of concern in the general public. There has been a lot of fear because of the virus, and they're also very isolated. Nobody can come out of the house. And we have noticed that, that people are more afraid to talk to other people because they don't know who has the virus. When I go to the grocery store, everybody's trying to stay away from each other. They're trying to do they're not smiling at each other. They're not doing the regular social gestures that we would do in general when we go through our regular lives. Hi, Candy. So this is all leading to more fear and worry. I think I touched about this before, but lately I've noticed literature coming out where it is saying that this can lead to physical problems. So if people in general are in fear and worry for a longer period of time, then potentially they can develop high blood pressure, they can develop diabetes, they can develop heart attacks, then they can develop strokes. So there is a chance that if this continues, I'm not talking about the lockdown or the shutdown. The society is more or less open, at least here in Florida. People are going about their business, but the fear is still there. So the fear of death, the fear of getting the virus, the fear of getting sick, this is all there. So if this continues to be a pattern, and let's say 6 months down the line or 1 year down the line, then a lot of these people can potentially experience multiple physical issues. They may be having chest pains and strokes and a lot of life-threatening problems. So it's very important. If you notice some of your family members are in the cycle of fear and worry, it's very important to bring them out of the cycle. And part of it is going out in the sun. If they can go to the beach, spending time in the sand on the beach. If they're able to, if they want to go out to the shopping, if they have to go to the mall, they should be venturing outside. And they should also be interacting. We're restricted in terms of the social interactions, but they should be able to do video conference with their friends, that they can talk to their friends over the phone. So we should go back to more communication, more interaction, and hopefully, going back to regular activities like exercise, and hopefully this will go down, like this fear and worry. The other point I want to touch about is seniors. A lot of seniors are stuck either in their homes, or if they're in an assisted living facility or nursing home, they're not allowed to come out of the room. So they're mentioning in their own terms that they feel that the four walls are collapsing on them. And social interaction and schedule is also important for them because they're retired. They need a schedule to to go to a yoga class in the morning, or to do some type of activity throughout the day. And for those of us who worked in the nursing homes, we know that we set a schedule for them. They have to go here, water the plants in the afternoon, and do something else in the evening. We set a schedule so that they have more of a normal life. And unfortunately, that is not happening now. And we can see the same cycle happening. If they stay in the fear, worry, anxiety, they may develop heart problems, they may develop stroke, they may develop high blood pressure, and they may develop a lot of physical issues. So one way of interacting with the seniors is by doing FaceTime or video communication. If the grandkids or kids can start communicating with them on a regular basis, that would give them some hope, and also it will give them a way to communicate with somebody. So those are some of the thoughts I want to share. These are interesting times. Hopefully we'll get over this pretty soon and get back to our normal lives. So feel free to send me a DM if you have any questions. Feel free to comment below. You can also share my videos. I would really appreciate that. Look forward to talking to you all again. Okay, have a wonderful day.